اسمه like
يعني ليه إذا يعرفون إيه يخلون أولادهم يجوا يسوون ينامون بالسجن.
One day, Princess didn't come to breakfast. Yippee, hot, where did she go?
I'm gonna find
She wasn't at the toy store either.
Crossfire here shortly. And they do say he's in for a surprise.
like even
The Princess of Pet City was missing.
And also, roads are so
Yeah,
chewy.
we're just about ready over here. So, bring on the birthday boy.
They're so chewy.
Yeah. We know the words.
قطيع مع
Okay, yeah. See you in a bit.
هاي.
Okay, guys. Jordan's on his way down. So get into position and fire up those vocal cords. Okay.
Like, are you getting what I mean?
Like birthdays?
I know.
We avoid this whole birthday thing by going sailing with a bunch of models last year.
Like, you get what I mean.
It's better to improve the mood around here.
You get what I mean, right? Like, it's not bad.
Man, I can't wait to see the look on Jordan's face.
He probably forgot it's his birthday.
It was so obvious. She fought it to to TJ Maxx. Bought the only thing she could find, and put it. The only thing she could find is 3 of. Now she picked 2 up, and she put it in the cart.
Kelly's toy.
Don't just mouth the words.
You know what I mean?
Well, now if you do,
Like all of my like skincare.
Every afternoon,
Okay, everyone.
they went to the
And
toy
mine is
store
not me.
with the
Show
princess
Jordan
were.
I don't
how much we
even want
can.
like any gift or anything. That's so hard.
Every morning, the
I want
princess
money.
and
I
her
don't
pets
want
went to the
anything.
bakery for breakfast.
Well, I do want something. I want you to buy me those things. Not Baba, not Pizza, not
Yeah, where did she go?
You. You're the only one who's in charge.
Be here any second now.
She wasn't at the
Like,
toy store
I'm our
either.
age.
No.
Skincare, face mask. Buy a $2 face mask.
The Princess of Pet City was
we wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a
Like,
We wish you another year. We wish that to you, Jordan. Happy
Buy us
birthday.
those things. Buy us.
Oh, well, shit, fellas. Look, I mean,
She doesn't even mind me.
that's pretty decent of you.
Don't mention it, darling.
Not in that.
Have a taste. It's vegan.
We're
Yum.
we buy his face mask.
Oh, vegan, huh?
Or skincare.
You guys went through a lot of trouble, huh?
Oh, no. It wasn't us. Your
I want
mother.
slippers. Buy me slippers and
Oh,
a robe.
yeah. He was real particular.
like-
I mean, everything
Or
had
like
to be
what?
just
Literally,
right
for the
for
person
his
who loves
son's
rocking his
big
hair, he
day,
should have
huh?
sweatshirt.
Did he now?
You know what I mean? I'm not talking about me. I don't care. I don't want to get. Like, I wasn't expecting a gift or anything, but we got.
Oh, it's perfect. He even got the dates right. The Algerian ones that I like.
Like in home.
Nasty.
It's not just your $20 robe. Should get, and they're not gonna wear it ever.
Something.
And they're not gonna wear it ever. How about you just doing a $20 sweater from Aerie? Pretty sure.
Okay, thanks for doing this, guys. But why don't we get Jordan a little bit of space now? Okay?
That's a cute dress. Actually, I hate the length of it.
Missing.
You should be chewing on here. Where?
But anyways,
Come on, do you read? Jordan,
I'm at home.
cross
Not
it
in
down.
I'm not at home. Go get straight a $20 sweater from Aerie. Or whatever, like I don't even choose their gifts that they got are like $40, $50. But which shot they
Stand
want?
up. I'm two hooves. Come on.
Do you want?
So what does our friend look like? Sorry, I didn't see the guy. Oh.
Are you sure? Hey, who? I know what you're talking about. But like, but I think they're like $40. And I'm just concerned I'm gonna take